Well, hello everyone, it's Martika here and welcome to my channel. So first of all, let me tell you, I am not on camera today because I have a horrible sty on my eye that I have been fighting with for about a week now. However, it is getting better, but I could not let this day go by without showing you what I discovered when I went to Michael's to get some more lining fabric, and I'll show you the little bit that I picked up here shortly. But even after that, you guys, I even want to share something about China spilling all of the tea on the luxury items and things that people are spending all of this money on, and just talk a little bit about that and why this is a great time for you to know how to sew. And if you don't know how to sew, it is a great time for you to learn. So on to Michael's. You guys, when I stepped in there today to get the lining fabric, I discovered this bin. They were having a clearance event, and you guys, it was fabric. There was yarn in there too, but I saw this fabric. It was mainly cotton canvas, which I love. There was some, of your regular quilting cotton as well, but I just had to walk around and I had to discover what all they had. And to my surprise, they had so much cotton canvas in there that I couldn't believe it. And it was $4 a yard. You probably can't see it very well because for whatever the reason, the stickers were printed very faintly, but they were all only $4 a yard. So if you are in an area where you do know that your Michaels carry fabric, you might want to go and check it out and see if they have some clearance fabric as well, because I'm telling you, this was a beautiful surprise when I went in there. I did not go in there for this, but just look at this fabric. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And on top of that, I have some activities in my home that I really need some of this fabric for. So I was kind of running out of time. So I will be back, definitely most likely going back this weekend to pick up what I need when I have more time to really look. But this fabric right here, I need that. That's what I make some of my zipper pouches out of. And it was on clearance. So I asked the guy, if they were clearing it out for good. He wasn't sure if they were just getting rid of it for the season or whatever, but it may not come back. So I'm definitely taking a look at that. But yeah, you guys, just look at this. Just absolutely amazing. So when I got back home, the first time I looked at this bag, and as I was emptying out stuff, and it says made by you, and so I'll talk about that more in just a second. But this is the fabric that I was going there for. I actually bought the last of it when I was there last time. So I ran out of it, the amount that I needed. So of course, they didn't restock it yet, so I had to go with this one. It's, the same quality and everything, but just a different design. But I use this as a lining in some of my bags, but it's just as pretty. All of these small dots that's, kind of shaped into circles. So, yeah, I really liked it. So I went on ahead and I grabbed a yard of that. And then, of course, I grabbed some more black. I have to get my lint roller out for this one because, of course, black picks up all the lint in the atmosphere. But I did go ahead and grab me at least a yard, of this particular fabric, because to be honest with you, I didn't want to get a whole lot of it because you just don't know, how something is going to sell, until it does. And if I sell out of the bags that I'm making out of this, so be it, but at least I got some extra so that I can make some more bags. And like I said, when I go back this weekend, I may pick up some more. But back to this bag, y'all. Made by you. Michaels, made by you. Like I told you, Michaels always stick to who they are, and that's crafting. But what I need that fabric for is my sofa. My husband really wants to change up the color scheme a bit. I've had these not lime green, but these really soft green pillows to accent my brown sofa for a long time. I really want like a green sofa, y'all. I mean like a deep green, but I ain't doing all that right now. I'm just going to keep what I got. But we want to do like some aqua, and I kind of want to add some more pops of color. So I'm definitely going back for some of that fabric to make some pillowcases. But let's talk about China. You guys, I'm showing you this because I have been speaking a long time about sewing high end on a budget. Okay, now China have been spilling the tea about, you know, all of these luxury companies, how we are being way overcharged, and how they want us to think that things are made by their company, but they're actually made in China. A lot of things I knew that, especially being in the beauty industry for so long, when it comes to cosmetics and things like that. You know, I knew a lot of that, you guys. I knew that, you know, us in the USA, we've been getting ripped off for a long time, in my opinion. But, you know, this thing that has happened now, it made me more appreciative of the gift, you know, that we have, because we're able to not only, we don't necessarily even have to order a lot. You know, if we want to save a whole lot of money from China, if we got some fabric, y'all, we can sew it up. You know, I have sewn handbags. I have sewn a lot of these high-end looks on a budget, you know, just by getting the right pattern. And if you've never seen my sewing or sew high-end on a budget, if you have never seen those videos, go back through my channel. There are many of them because I have been doing that for a few years now, and it's a lot of fun too, because just to show you a few, if you haven't seen it already, I'm showing you the high-end prices of these things and how these pattern companies, either the pattern companies are copying the designer or the designer is copying the pattern companies, one of the two. But if you know how to move that sewing machine, you can make these high-end items look so good, even adding your own flavor to it, you guys, and nobody else will have what you have because you made it with your own hands. And not only that, but you know, not only are people looking to save money in so many ways, but being able to sew and start something of your own and do things for other people. Handmade is so appreciated. It's appreciated more than you can ever know. So I just wanted to, you know, kind of chime in on that, because I know that that has been the talk that have been going on. I mean, seriously, even all this week, it has been like the highlight on like TikTok and even some here on YouTube as well. But if you look through what you have and the things that you enjoy making and all of that, you know, yes, we are all looking to save money. And personally, I'm not mad at China for spilling the tea. I wish they would have spilled it decades ago, you know, and a lot of people could have saved a lot of money. Let's just be real about that. But you know what? Now that they have, you know, not everybody wants to wait, you know, 3 weeks, a month or whatever to get different items. But if you can sew it, you can have it as fast as you want to. You guys, take advantage of the gift that's in your hand. I really want you to really grasp the hold to that, because yeah, there's so much we can do with these sewing machines. And yeah, like I said before, if you are around the Michaels that have fabric, get there, because you just might have some fabric on clearance in those bins. I'm telling you, $4 a yard. Yeah, we can't beat that. We are sewing on a budget still. So thanks for watching, you guys. And yeah, hopefully this style will be gone really soon so I can get on there in person. I know y'all probably wouldn't have cared if it was still there or not, but yeah, I just wasn't feeling it. So thanks for watching anyway. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great one. Bye-bye.